Hey guys, I missed you. Oh my god, I fogged up the lens. That's how much I love you. Okay. Well, anyway. So I have an exciting video for you today. We are building a new PC, or I shouldn't say we. Aaron's building it. I don't know how to do that. Aaron's building me a new PC right now. So while he's doing that, it's my job to clean and organize my desk to be able to fit the computer under it. It's a mess, and it's not even a desk, it's actually a folding table, but we're gonna look past it, okay? Because we're friends, right? Just ignore that. Anyway, so I have so many art supplies, so much paper, so much paint, so many brushes, also I hoard seashells and feathers. Anyway, so I get to go organize that mess and figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with it. It's embarrassing. There's so much stuff. Maybe I shouldn't do this. You know what? Don't look. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna do this. Let's do this. All right, so this is my desk before. It's looking really rough. There's so much crap everywhere. Oh, I'm actually really embarrassed to even show you this. Wait, go back. Yeah, I got dirt on my floor. I garden, if you didn't know, and that's my garden, so that's a video for another day. Let's continue to see what is under here. Oh my god, there's so many boxes, like canvases, paper, and if you remember this box I painted, you're an OG on this channel. Painted that for Bean Dip's toys. Now it's just full of like paper and stuff. And if you ever wondered what's on the other side of my streaming background, well, now you know. It's my messy desk. I told you it was a lot. Don't judge me. I wish I could peel off that paper that's on my desk, but I do draw and paint, and it's just practical to like be able to, like, when your pen stops kind of like gets a little bit clogged up, that you could just like scribble on your desk, like to get the pen going again. I don't know, it's just easy for me. Whatever, it's not pretty, but it's convenient and functional, so it's not going anywhere, even though it's an eyesore. So here's where the desk is at so far. It's looking a lot more picked up. Under there is where I'm gonna put my computer tower. It's got a little ways to go, but overall I think it's looking pretty good. All right, so that was a lot of stuff. I told you it was gonna be a lot. It was gonna be a lot, but we got it. Honestly, most of it went under my bed. I had to pull out like a lot of board games and stuff and go figure out a different place for that, because honestly we go and grab those a lot. So I don't know why they're under our bed when they can just be conveniently in our living room on like a shelf. I don't know. Past Allie, I don't know what you were doing with your organizational skills, but we're better now. We got it all organized. Everything's good. I'm really happy with how it's looking. Aaron has been busting his butt getting this thing built. He's been working so hard. It's finally built and done. He's installing windows and all that stuff, all that fun stuff. So he's got it all set up. Let's go check in on him and see what's going on. All right, so the computer is totally done, but before I show you that, I want to show you what's in this basket. So I've got these seashells. I also made this beautiful bouquet of feathers and stuff I found on my walks. I love to hike. And I've got my pins, of course, and more feathers. I wasn't kidding when I said that I hoard feathers, guys. And look at this beautiful birch tree basket. Like, somebody handmade this, and I found it at Goodwill for like $2. Like, I can't believe somebody donated this. Like, this is so stunning, and I get to cherish it. And over here, I've got another birch tree basket full of what else but feathers. This is a giant eagle feather. Believe it or not, there's bald eagles that live across the street in a pine tree from us. I freaking love it. And I've got all my wreaths that I make. By the way, if you ever wonder what my Etsy shop contains, it's wreaths and wall hangings, and you guys should go check it out. Shameless plug. And isn't that basket so pretty? So, I love it. I love how this turned out. Let me put it back on my desk how I like it, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything. Here's for the big reveal. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, it's totally done. Look at this. Oh, I'm so happy. My desk has never looked so nice. Look at these cute boxes. I got those from Joann Fabrics. I go shopping there every summer to get some boxes. Look at my corgi desktop. Isn't he so cute? I love it. I love it so much. There's my birch tree basket, my mic, which is what I'm talking on right now. I got my notebooks, more boxes from Joann Fabrics. That's where most of my art supplies went. And this is my old laptop that I just retired. Like, look at this size comparison. Actually, that's not a good angle. Let me show you a better angle. Look at the size comparison between my old laptop and my new monitor. Like, just crazy. I've never had a monitor this big. It's amazing. And this is the tower. Aaron went all out with the tower. He got me the rainbow light fans. Look at this. This is what it looks like at night. It's so freaking pretty. It lights up the whole room. There's even a rainbow fan inside. Like, he didn't have to do that, but like, I'm obsessed. I freaking love it. Like, this is just so pretty. I did not deserve this. So everything's set up. I am in business. Gonna give you guys some really awesome videos. I am stoked. This has been a long time coming. I needed a new computer badly. Like, badly. I was living in the Stone Ages. So I have missed you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back. I am feeling refreshed. I think this is a great new start to a new chapter with a fresh computer and just motivation. I have motivation, guys. I have motivation again to create, and so I am very excited to do that. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.